Good Monday evening, family. This is Nettie with Simply Me Journey. Well, I'm coming up with the latest update on my property, Homestead. Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm-hmm. See what I got here? Limestone. So, family, this is really beautiful. A little parking spot. It's a nice amount of limestone. I had got two truckloads of limestone. And family, this is beautiful. I mean, it looks great. I mean, what an addition. And it's nice, thick. Uh, the lady brought it, uh, and she spread it out nicely. Look at my parking spot. It is great. Yes, and we're gonna work on those under the rails here. We're gonna work on that, get this even out right. And I did ask to have someone pull up front, like right here. I want to do that because sometimes, even if I would have extra guests, if everybody's not parking here, they can park up and down the driveway. They can pull up there and park. That's fine. And I wanted it there for that reason. So, yeah, this is how the homestead. Looking at my little hummingbirds. They're having a good time with their nectar. They love it. They loving it. And I think I could have about 6 to 8 hummingbirds. I know I have 4 ruby neck males, and wait a minute, I might have 3 ruby neck males and 4 females. So it's quite a bit of them out here now. So I just moved my car over here out the way so so the lady can bring in my limestone. All right, let's just take a walk down the new driveway. Yeah, I had made up my mind that I was not going to be driving in a muddy driveway this fall, this winter season, winter, fall, whatever. I just couldn't do it again. It was just too much. Then with me having my little nephew, on cold days, I'm having to put him in that cart. We drive up to the front. Because this was so muddy, we had to go. I had to leave from the cabin on my lawnmower with the cart, and we'll go around this way, round to the front. So now we don't have to do that. And I'm still working on this area here right now. I'm not going to do anything until 30 days after my eye surgery. Then I'll start doing work. I just want to not. I don't want to. Do work too fast. Okay, family, isn't this gorgeous? Look how beautiful this driveway. Yeah, all those sticks and things. It's gonna be picked up. I have a winding driveway. It may be short, but it's winding. So, yeah, and my limestone cost me $725 per load. Yes, $725 per load. So I've been like putting money to the side. My little babysitting money, I put that up. My money I got for my refrigerator, I put that up. Money I got for my gorilla cart, I put that up. So I've been kind of like, whatever extra money I get, I've been putting that to the side to help pay for my limestone. Now it's got a little hilly area here, which we're gonna take this here probably tomorrow. This is up kind of high on the end here, so we're gonna spread this out to the end of the road. And it also got that little stack up there in front. So this is coming up pretty high. So I want y'all to see it from here. Whew. Somebody need to do some exercise. Okay. Well, yeah, we're gonna bring out the limestone, put it from here, make that little curve and look at it. All this here is gonna be covered all that up tomorrow. you know, so we got extra to the back. I'm bringing that up to the front. And y'all, my little lights be looking really pretty at night. I drive through here at night and the lights are, my little lights, they lit up. They lit up at night. It be real pretty. All right, let's walk back through. Now, I'm going to give a video of the total cost of building my driveway, because remember I had to get the red dirt first. And I got the red dirt like I think June. And I think I got 4 loads of red dirt. And then I had the guy to come and pack it in with his whatever kind of equipment he used. So all of this, see here? See how I'll thin that out? Had the guy to burn. Right now there's a burn ban in Louisiana, so we can't burn. If we can burn that, it'll go up in smokes real quick, because it's very, very dry. And so we can't burn. So I thought it was a lot of fun. I almost like to take that chance, I ain't lying. But can't do it. I don't want to throw that money away. So hopefully real soon they'll lift the burn ban, and I can get the rest of this stuff burned out. See how clear it is in there? Yeah. Nice and clear. I worked on my little patio area over here to my right. Let y'all see how the limestone going. It's just past the cabin, which I, like I said, something that I wanted by design. And this is really, really thick. Okay. My little patio. I come out here yesterday morning, sit down with a cup of coffee and my little biscotti toast bread or whatever you call it, cookie, I don't know. And one day all this gonna be filled up along with my little fire pits. Yeah, so all this gonna be nice and clean up soon. It's cooling off. Give me a chance to really come out here and work. But it has to be after my 30 days from my surgery. Not gonna do anything before then. So, yeah, I could have found 4 black chairs. I went back to the store to get the 4 black, to get some little black chairs. They didn't have any more. And so, yeah, my trees are not doing so hot, but I'm not gonna worry about it. We did have some scorching weather. This little baby here is doing fine. Doing fine. And my pecan tree right there, yeah, got brown leaves on it. There's a pear tree right there. Yeah, some brown leaves on it too. I'm not gonna stress over it. My apple tree is doing fine. They got leaves on them, they're not dead. So that's one good thing, they're not dead. So family, just want to show y'all the latest update on the homestead. Right, got to be worked on. That's driving me nuts. So we're gonna straighten it out. But it's gonna be my little parking spot. Don't have to worry about getting my shoes muddy and dirty. So we got a little hill right there. I'm gonna take some of that and put it in the front driveway entrance. It's really thick right up in here. It's really thick. So, you know, when I want to pull up, I have a lot of groceries. I don't have to pull. I can pull right up here, you know, and stuff. And I'm getting ready to have my shed put up probably this week. The guy that's doing it, he went to LA. He may have not gone, I don't know. But he's going to pick up the lumber, the center blocks, the pads. whatever stuff that he said he needed to get the shed put together. So we're gonna have the shed put up. All that stuff under that tarp, under those tarps, is more than one. They will be removed. Okay. Now, I'm not going to keep you guys longer. Just want to let y'all know the limestone is down. This is going to be it for my driveway. I will not be putting any more money on the driveway at all. And I have, like I say, these limestone for each truckload was $725. So I'm over it. I'm done. Don't have to do this again. My brother said once these limestone, once it rains, they start packing in. It's gonna be like driving on cement. And like when I say this is thick, this is nicely. She spread it out really well. So we went and and spread this here in the driveway a little bit better, because she can do just so much. But she did drop some good amount without able to go ahead and spread it, or someone else was able to spread it. And all right, family, this is Nettie, Simple Me Journey. I made this update on the property, my limestone. Y'all know he's not going to be like that in another day or two. We're going to put the knees on. He's going back on the stack. But, yeah, I have to put my little tractor back, my lawnmower. I don't know why I call that thing a tractor, because it sounds like one. I did get my Gorilla Car repaired because it had, the front axle had broken. And so, I took it to, was taken to a guy that welded the front end axle back. See, the Gorilla Car company, they send me money back, because when it broke, I send them information and pictures, and they didn't know when they was gonna get another part in, so they just gave me a full refund, and that full refund went towards my what? Limestone, and just took this to a welding shop, and the guy welding is fine. He said something about the bolt was broke. So took care of all of that. So look how this looks from this angle here. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at that. Boy, I tell you, some things really make the property look good. So, and then saving me from what? Having the muddy shoes. So I'm glad about that. I don't know, I thought about making a little pathway from here to the door. I thought about it. I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. But anyway, fam, this is Nettie Simple Me Journey. Just wanted to give y'all an update on the latest project. And the driveway limestone project is completed. I will not be spending any more money on the driveway. Not at all. So that's it. But I'll give y'all an update what the total cost was, because I didn't add in the, what was it, the dirt, because I have 4 loads of red dirt, and then the guy came out and he put the red dirt down for me. I mean, he spread it and come back for packed it and all that. So yeah, so I'll give y'all later on update about that, and the cost of my patio, how much it cost me to put my little patio area together over there. All right, family, this is Nettie Simply Me Journey. If you like my content, please hit the like and subscribe button. And y'all be blessed. Bye-bye.